Hi guys, welcome to Moneyline Tips. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to predict both teams to score in football match. So in this particular video, I have a strategy that I use and then I'm here to share with you. So a lot of you have asked me to make a video on how to predict both teams to score. So the strategy is this. If you notice that your bookie, they like to confuse you with a lot of things, they play with your emotions. So what they do is that those teams that will play both teams to score, they will give them higher odds and then give lower odds to not to score, so that you as a newbie or as someone that just started betting newly will go and pick the smaller or thinking they will that will win. But in the result is always the opposite, because the higher odd likely wins. So what I normally do is, whenever I want to play both teams to score, I will go to my favorite bookie, which is what I'm using now, Sporty. I will select the higher odd and then I stake. But the way I stake my game, I don't combine more than 2 games in a ticket. So I try to avoid those small, the one they give smaller odds, like those one I circle in purple. Those ones that are the ones that you should avoid. When you see odds like that, smaller, or this one I circled in purple, smaller or like this, they are setting a trap for you. So for you to pick those ones. I'm not saying they might not score both teams to score, but I try to avoid them because sometimes you see them play 2-0 or 3-0. You'll be wondering why. So I select the bigger odd, like for example this one. At the end of the day, I'll pick two per ticket, and then I will stake higher. Then I'll make. At the end of the day, you see that if you play like 5 tickets, you see that you 4 or even 3 out of the 5 tickets that you play will win. And if three out of 5 win, that means you made a lot of profit. You even triple your money. So that's one of the strategies that I use to predict a both team to score. So guys, that is one of my strategy. As you notice, in this channel we provide 5 to 20 odds on our premium channel, where we share to our VIP subscribers. So if you are interested, I will leave my WhatsApp link in the comment section. Click the WhatsApp link and chat with me privately. Please, it's strictly for people that are interested, that are ready to pay. It's a paid service. It's not free. Do not click if you are not ready to pay. Please, if you need a free game, or maybe where you can chat and mingle with other subscribers in this channel, I've created a Telegram group where members of this group interact with each other. I will also share the Telegram link in the comment section. Okay guys, moving on. That is one of the things, the strategy that I use. As you can see, I've selected, even check out this Kenyan league. They want you to think that they don't score much goals, so that means they will not score both teams to score, but the result is always the opposite, because they might likely score. So I made this video today, being 20th of June. So I will schedule it to be published tomorrow, being the 24th of June, because tomorrow will be very busy for me. I have to create it today. Then that is one of the strategy. Sorry for the noise. So guys, if you see this one that I circle with purple, those one are the most dangerous one. They are trying to set a trap for you to pick those smaller odds. But I'm not saying they don't win, they don't play both teams to score, but they sometimes you see them misbehave. They will play 2-0, 3-0. So I try to avoid those one with smaller odds with everything that I have. So that's the strategy that I use to predict both teams to score. Okay guys, that's all I can say. So when you predict like this, just select like this, then click on single. You can play the single if you have the staking power, play them single and then stake high. At the end of the day, you see that if you selected like 5, you see that 4 or 3 of them will win. Even check out this Kenya, they even give 5 odds for both teams to score. But when you check out the result, you see that they won. So let's just see how this goes. So by tomorrow evening, I will check out the result. Then or you guys can also check.